Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Aloy, your world learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set on automatically save my restartable app sign in option in Windows 11. So for this case I will go to the search option here, this, and the settings option I will click, and here we have got lots of things. Here Bluetooth I will off as because I have turned on just few moments before. Now working with the accounts, so in this account, so what we want, let's check sign in option. So in sign in option, what have there have Windows Hello, security, passkey, password, dynamic lock. See here, click here, and the thing is here automatically save my restartable apps and start them when I sign back in. So here just off, and now I want to on this thing. So see, in this way I can do the things automatically. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.